Hello. Today we will learn about the phrase disagree with something. It means you do not share the same opinion. For example, if you think one thing and your friend thinks another, you disagree. We use disagree with followed by what you do not agree with. For example, I disagree with your idea. Notice we always use with after disagree. You cannot say disagree your idea without with. You can disagree with opinions, rules, decisions, or statements. For example, she disagrees with the new rule. It is polite to say when you want to express a different view. You can use it in formal or informal conversations. Remember, disagree with is inseparable. You cannot put words between disagree and with. Try to use it in your daily conversations. For example, I disagree with the plan. Or they disagree with the proposal. It is a useful phrase to express different opinions clearly. Now, practice with your friends or write sentences using disagree with. Thank you for watching. See you next time.